Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in Abu Dhabi. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.reachbritishschool.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Reach British School. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option contact available. If you click this link, you can get one option career opportunities. If you click this link career opportunities, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for academic year 21-22. Reach British School are proud to say that they only recruit teaching staff with a passion for lifelong learning and the desire to share that passion with student, colleague and the community. All shortlisted candidate and pass holder are subject to appropriate international criminal and child protection background checks or equivalent covering the previous 10 years employment history. So Reach British School recruit teachers in several ways including direct application to the school and through international teacher recruitment agencies and organization. So once you are shortlisted, they will check your criminal background check and child protection background checks. So these are mentioned here. So what are the current vacancies for full-time teaching position academic year 21-22? Primary class teacher, art teacher, music teacher, secondary English teacher plus head of department, secondary food technology, geography, physics, French, maths and science teacher. So these are the vacancies. If you are interested these job vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. The ideal candidate will have following qualification, skills and experience: the ability to innovate, excite and motivate children and colleagues, bachelor degree with appropriate specialization and PGCE, minimum 2 years full-time teaching experience, exceptional communication skill, strong skills in the use of IT to support learning, UK curriculum experience is desirable. To apply, please submit a brief letter of application and your CV to the Human Resource Department at recruitment@reachbritishschool.com. Closing date open until position filled. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. If you want more details about Reach British School, you can check it in the menu about campus and facilities, school timings and education in Abu Dhabi. Whatever you want, you can check it in the menu. You can get it everything in the menu itself. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.aisa.sch.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of American International School Abu Dhabi. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option about AISA. If you click this link, you can get one option employment opportunities. I will give it to the direct link in the description. You can use and apply as per the instruction. American International School Abu Dhabi receive many application and the selection process is very competitive. They recruit only professional educator who are possession of at least bachelor degree with the current teaching certificate plus at least 2 years experience as a certified teacher. American International School is an English medium school and complete fluency in written and spoken English is required. So here they are conducting recruiting phase. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, they are virtually recruiting candidate. So experience we are looking for in the secondary school. In the secondary school, they will be looking for teachers with previous international experience who can demonstrate experience in this area. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description, etc. So what are the current openings for academic year 21-22? Secondary science, chemistry and physics, secondary student support, ELL, LS, elementary homeroom teacher, kindergarten to grade 5. So these are the vacancies for American International School, Abu Dhabi. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your CV, supporting letter and the names and email address of at least 2 referees to employment@aisa.sch.ae. The third one is You can enter in the URL www.iischoolabudhabi.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, International Indian School Abu Dhabi. In this main page, one of the option career available. To apply for a job, please email your resume highlighting your qualification. Please ensure that you provide a valid email address in your resume. We would notify you via email when an opportunity arises that matches your profile. So these are the vacancies: social media specialist, student counselor, PE teacher, academic supervisor, primary teachers, music, art and craft, French teacher. So these are the vacancies. If you are interested in these job vacancies, you can send your resume to careers@II School Abu Dhabi. Never stop trying. One day you will surely get a job. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Good luck with your job search. I hope you can get a great job. Thank you.